Where are you having a hard time?
I'm trying to figure out this. First I got 61, and I wanted to make sure by counting the tens and ones, but it wasn't.
So you're having a hard time going from 54 to 7, is that what you're telling me? So how might we add that, and what might make it easier for you?
Maybe I could try doing it in the ones.
So you want to jump by maybe ones instead of a whole 7, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, that might make it easier for you to count up.
Okay.
Okay, so can you make sure you have 7 jumps? Can you count them for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, and we have to make sure when you label that number, they're right where you jumped it. So I'm going to add a little dot there to help you. So what comes after 54?
55.
And what comes after 55?
56.
And keep going.
57. 58. 59. 60. 61.
I like how you figured out a way to make it easier for you.
61 again.
Yeah, you did a great job.
I'm still kind of confused.
Well,
How is this
maybe
60?
some of our friends can help with that thinking, but you can always build a model too to check it. But I assure you, you did a great job.
Because I'm confused about the tens. 2 and 3 makes 50.
So let's think about it this way. When you were at the 54, if you have, let's think about ways to make 10. Do you know 4 and what number make 10?
4 and 6.
4 and 6. So when you have your 4 and 6, you've already made another 10. So you go from the 50s to the,
60.
and then you have one left still, and that gets you to. Now do you
Oops,
understand?
I forgot the one.
There you go. There's your 1. Perfect.
I started at the bigger number, 37. Then I plus the 10, and then I made 47. Then I did it again, and it was 57. And then 58, 59 for plus the 2 ones, and it equaled 59.
Okay.
And then, so I started at the bigger number again, 34, and then 44, 54. Then I plus 7, so 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, and then 61.
And if we look over here, Sophia did some revising to her thinking. At first she did a jump of 7 and she was a bit confused. She didn't think the answer was 61. Why were you thinking the answer wasn't 61 at first?
Probably because it was like higher than in the 50s. Probably I didn't think about 60s.
Yeah, you thought about 20 and 30 is 50, so why am I in the 60s? But you figured out when you started from the 54.
Because the ones hit a 10 and that gets to a 10.
Yes, the ones hit the 10 and that got to a 10. So 54 plus how many gets to 60? 4 and what make a 10?
7.
Well, 4 and 7 got you to 61. So 4 and what number got you to 60? What's 1 less than 7?
6.
6. So 4 and 6 got you to the next 10, but you had 7 to add, so you had 1 more.
Yeah.
So she had to revise and change her thinking and fix it up. So who had the most points? LeBron James. Give her a round of applause.